invasion? Troy asked. The general of the Strategic Rocket Forces leaned forward. If I were the Americans, I would make tactical strikes on our missile facilities and submarine pens. Our underground nuclear facilities are impervious to aerial bombardment, the technocrat said. But the Americans will drop chemical or biological agents around our facilities to slow production and transport. The chairman nodded. I've thought of these myself. I want a plan drawn up immediately to relocate as many civilians as we can to surround these facilities. New school,